6:35 now, ready for some holiday travel. It's estimated 54 million people will be traveling for the Thanksgiving holiday this week. And if you're going to be hopping on a plane, there are restrictions about what you can take with you.
That's right. Eyewitness News reporter Allison Scott joins us live right now from Yeager Airport with some details on the items you can pack. Hi, Allison.
Hey, good morning, Dave and Jennifer. When it comes to holiday travel, it's likely that you'd want to bring some of those food items. That's why we're in the baggage claim area, because there are some items that would have to be packed away in that bag. So taking a look at some of those common Thanksgiving meal items, you have some stuffing. This is okay to bring in your carry-on item. Generally, when it comes to things that can go through that checkpoint, if it's a solid, it can be carried through. So that's like pies or casseroles, and even we've got some cornbread mix in. The baking items like sugar, flour, other things like that. When it is those liquids, you would have to have those in a checked bag. This pumpkin for your pumpkin pie, that can't make it on board with you. That's going to have to go in your checked bag. Another thing like water bottles with this water in here, that's going to have to go in your checked bag as well. This would be okay to fly if it was empty, which honestly would probably save you some money if you just bring an empty water bottle through the checkpoint and then fill it up once you get through security. So again, some of those common items, even when you'd think that maybe gelled cranberry sauce, not super liquidy, but yeah, that has to go in one of those checked bags. You can't bring that on board even if you get hungry for a little snack. So that's just some of those general rules. Other areas where you can find out what can you bring is over on TSA.gov. They have a whole list where you can just type in those items, or you can use their social media sites to ask the questions in real time what you can bring on board with you. For now, reporting live here from Yeager Airport, Allison Scott, Eyewitness News.
All right. Thank you, Allison.